of learning. Welcome to the exciting world of Albakio International, and today we are going to learn a new concept, subtraction. Are you ready? Well, Ali has 3 apples. What if his father gives him one more? Ali is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. Great. And this is what we call addition. Now, Ali has 3 apples. And what if he gives 1 apple to his father? Now, Ali will left with 2 apples. And this is what we call subtraction. Subtraction means to take away. You can see 5 candles here. What if I take away 1 out of these? Then you will be able to see 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Great. Now look at the flowers. Count the flowers. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flowers. What if I take away 2 flowers? Then you will be able to see 4 flowers here. I am repeating, subtraction means to take away. Now let's use finger to do subtraction. You have to select the correct answer. Ready? 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. So we will cut 2 fingers. We will cross the first and the second finger, and we are left with 3 fingers. It means 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Great. 2 minus 1. Similarly, we will cut 1 finger from here and we are left with 1 finger. It means 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Great. Now challenge yourself and do some mental subtraction by yourself. Let's enjoy the domino subtraction. We will use the dominoes to find the difference between 2 numbers. Are you ready? 10 minus 6. So we will cross 6 dots and we will be left with 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 minus 5. We will cross 5 dots here and we will be left with 3. Great. Time to write the equations. Look at here. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now look at this picture. We will write here 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now let's count the pens. These are 9 pens and we have to take away 4 pens out of these. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Count the vases. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to write 4 here and we will take away 2 vases out of these 4. Then we will be left with 2 vases. Here are 4 candles and we have to take away 4 candles out of these. So we will be left out with 0 candle. Now enjoy this concept with the help of your book and take care of yourself.